Everyone, it's Stuart here. We're 15 minutes into the US cash session here on Monday, the 4th of March, and the trend from this morning has really just continued. You've had a strong dollar, equities are up again, gold continues down, and oil's actually rebounded quite significantly. So here, euro continues to drift down. This morning we'd broken this key 200 period here. As we were speaking, now we continue down. Lower day at the moment is 13.26, so that 13.25 zone, and we're testing it again. So a brief retrace in the last hour, but we're under the 20 period, the 9 to 5, all nicely trending down there for euro dollar. So dollar on the bid. Yen has continued to reject 1200 so once, twice, and we're having another run at it now. We're at 11.96 and still trying to peak up, but key support, as we said this morning, here at the bottom of the Bollinger Band at 11.80 zone. Pound, on the other hand, cable moved lower here at 1 o'clock. It was going sideways. Remember, we gapped up this morning, as we said, into 32.55 zone. We couldn't retrade or recapture that high. We had a long wick there at whatever that was just before lunchtime, and it's turned lower here. So sideways action, engulfing candle here that's broken low here at 1 o'clock. Server time, and we've moved down, and then key support is obviously down here at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, and the 200 period moving average there at 131.65 for cable. Oil, as I say, moved down. As we were saying this morning and on the Facebook Live broadcast, the key level we were looking for was that 50% of this big move down from Friday. So we went all the way down from here to here. 50% of that big move, the first candle we breached in the last hour. And in the current hour, we've also breached the 50% move down from Friday. So we're back over 56.70, which is this level here, 56.70. And now we're having an attempt, obviously, at the next key level, which is $57 for oil. So oil's been a really good trader over the last few weeks. Follow the rules, take your profits, take your stop loss, take your losses, and, learn from every trade, and off we go. Just follow the rules and apply the rules. So off and running again. Oil at $57. CAD breached 133 again. As we mentioned this morning, it looked like it was having a go. It went as high as 132.25. Now we're rolling over again, but still very well bid there. Political noises around the Prime Minister. There's been the two guys that were arrested in December in China being accused of spying as well. That doesn't help the sentiment around the Canadian dollar. And obviously the move down in the oil price on Friday affect that, and it hasn't really moved up as the oil price has moved back up today. Gold, on the other hand, remains in a downtrend, just keeps on unwinding. Next key support for me on the gold is the 1280 level. Not for me, but for everyone, I'm sure. If we go up to the daily time frame, you can see where that key level now comes in. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days here where 1280 provided a nice support before we moved up back in the middle of January. So now here we are at the beginning of March. We're now going to be testing that level again. We're at 1284 and under 1285. So a big sell-off, as you can see here on Friday. Huge sell-off through that 1300 through 1295 and 1280 now a key support area on the daily time frame. As you can see, RSI still at 35, so it's still got some potential move down. Intraday, the trend continues to wind down as we're going down here at 1283 as I'm speaking. So have a great trading session, what's left of it. We'll see you all again tomorrow. We've got live analysis, our webinar tomorrow, and see you then. Take care. Bye-bye.